guys, welcome to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. As usual, I'm gonna bring you another awesome tutorial today, and then today we're gonna be building 3D Sonic. So this one is inspired by a Sonic 3D figure that I saw online, and I'm a big fan of the Sonic game as a little kid. So I was like, I have to build Sonic one day, and I did it! Yay! So I love this one, and I hope you like it as well. This one's gonna take some time to build the pieces because I made it kind of like a lot of details. But then it's gonna worth your time because it's gonna come out so awesome. And then this one's made with the regular bead, and then this one is made with the mini bead. As you can see, the big difference of the size. So it really depends on which one you like. Of course, building this little one is gonna take so much faster. So today's tutorial is gonna be a little bit lengthy because we're gonna put a lot of pieces together to build this one. So it's gonna take a little bit more time, but you're gonna love it. So in this video, I'm gonna put the pieces. I'm going to show you the pieces that you will need, but if you do prefer a digital pattern that I created, you can check out my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my website. I'm going to put the links down below so you can go check it out. So if you build this one, please tag me on Instagram so I can see which size that you build and share with others that they can build something that they like with using Perler Beads. So if you're new to my channel, again, please click the subscribe button and the bell so you will not miss out any new tutorial that I'm gonna bring it to you. And thank you so much to all my subscribers for all your support and love for my channel. I see a lot of you have been commenting on my posts and my video. Thank you so much. I see all of them. So also today, I just want to give you a quick preview of my new design. This is the little baby Yoda that I built because I built one long time ago, if you noticed, and I just want to bring something new. If you want to build this one, comment down below in the comment section and let me know. So I'll see like if you guys are interested to build this one as well. Alright, so today is going to be a lengthy tutorial, so let's get started. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started. As you can see, we have so many pieces, but I'm going to bring you step by step. Alright, so let's start with this piece. So these two pieces is going to be connected like this, and then we're going to use these connectors to connect them together. So this is going to be the center from here, just like so, and then these two little one is gonna go to the side right here. One more, looking good, and then this one is gonna go to the bottom. Yep, if at any time going too fast, feel free to go at your own pace, stop and pause and play again. Alright, so now we have this joint connector in the center, so we're ready to build the side pieces to make this. So we're gonna start from the bottom. So let me do this. Let's see if we can do it on one side only. Alright, so this is the first piece, and then this should be the second piece. It doesn't line that close. As you can see, the gap is very big, so I'm gonna try to use the other piece on the other side and see if it works better. So it's gonna go here. Actually, it looks better, so I'm gonna stay on this side, and then this one gonna follow on here, looking good. And the reason that I have white is because I went out of the beads, so you can have the same color when you build it. It's just because I ran out of the same color. Alright, so this piece is gonna be the outer piece. Yeah, looking good. But we're gonna save it for later because you can see I have a connector piece on the top. So just take this one out and let's work on the other side. Alright, so this piece right here, so it goes in this way. As you can see, the 3 beads is facing the bottom. So it goes in this way. First one, and then the second piece, they should kind of line up right here. Yeah, so you need to make sure that they line up, and then this piece gonna be on the top. Okay, looking good. So we're ready to add these two pieces. So to connect them, now we're gonna add this piece first. Okay, so this piece, these three is gonna be facing the front. As you can see, this is the front area. So let's pop this one in first, just like so. And then this one is gonna be popped onto the top. So it's gonna lay in this way. Looking good? Yep. All right, let's kind of connect it to insert this face piece right here. So this piece is gonna go right here in the center. Connect the top pieces and the side pieces. Yay, looking good. Let's lock this piece with these two pieces on the side. Then you can already see the head is coming out like this. And then this one onto the other side. Yep, just like so. So from here, let's build the back as well. So this one, we're gonna insert it to the back. So that way, the foundation is very solid, and then it's easier when we put in other pieces. As you can see, here it might be moving a little bit, but that's okay because we didn't close the bottom, so we can still move it around here. All right, looking good. So from here, we're gonna build other pieces. Let me see if I can insert this bottom piece. Not sure yet, but let's give it a try. Yeah, actually it works. Yep, so this is gonna be the bottom piece. If you didn't catch that, this one. I have it here ready, but just wanna make sure, okay. All right, so we got the bottom piece ready. Let's build the rest of the pieces on the side. So from here, this piece is gonna go this way. And then this top piece is gonna go from here. And then this one is gonna go here, I think. No, I flipped it, I lied. Okay, and then so on this side, I'm gonna insert this one right here. And then we're gonna insert this one, the triangle part facing forward. Yep, maybe I should flip it so you can kind of sense it when you're building it, like which side lays better. See, it's perfect. Yay! So now the foundation is good. We're gonna add other pieces. Alright, so the next section, we're gonna build the face. So let me see. So you can see we have little connectors here and also the nose part. And then also I have the top pieces right here. So let's get started. Let's use this one as the connector. Actually, this one is gonna go from here. So we're gonna insert this here first. Oh, it doesn't go in. Let me see. All right, got it in. And then let's insert this piece onto the top. It's okay that it falls because we can always put it back. If they're kind of loose, maybe you can use hot glue gun, or you can build them later, put it back later. Okay, looking good. All right, so let's insert this pieces. I put it right now because sometimes if you add the next layer, it's hard to do it. So I'd rather just do it now and see how well it does. Okay. So we got that in. So now we're gonna, oops, I didn't push all the way in. Okay, all right, so now adding this top piece. All right, so now we're gonna add this piece onto the top. Yeah, you can see Sonic already, right? So and then we're gonna go this way to insert at the bottom first. And then this one will be onto the top. Yep. And then this one, as you can see a little hole right here, we're just gonna insert it to the top. Yay, looking good. And then this last piece for the fronts. Oh, and then you can simply just put these back because they were kind of loose a little bit. And we can use hot gun to add them later and have connectors. So this one will go in this way. Yep, and then let's add the connector first. I just want to make sure that they can connect pretty good. All right, so we got the connector in. So we're gonna add this piece onto the top. Yay, and then 2 more pieces. All right, so looking good. Let's add a few more pieces, then we're done with the head. Alrighty, so these are the last few pieces for the head. So let's turn to the back and we're gonna finish it here. Oops. So as you can see, somewhat the connector on the top right here is kind of moved back. So I'm gonna just open the bottom and then use my finger to push them back out here. And then I'm gonna add this one onto the top first. Yeah, so it's easier if you open back the bottom piece. So we can use like, you know, from the bottom. And then we're gonna add this piece onto the top. And then last one right here. So we can go from here and just make sure that all the pieces are out. Yay! So from here, we're gonna connect this one back to here. What we did earlier. Yep, just do it carefully. Looking good. And then so this one is a little bit tricky. Not so tricky, but so this way is gonna go in this one. Looking good. And you can see a little hole right here. So this one has a little bottom hole right here, so it's gonna come in this way. Like that. Yep, and then we have a connector, so it's just gonna keep the piece more stable to the back. Yep, so this way, you can see it hopefully. You can see that this is already stable on here. And then we're gonna add this one onto the top. Okay, let's go this way. Yep, just like so. And then this is gonna be the last piece. Then we're done with the Sonic head. Yay! All right, let's move on with the body. Alright, let's get started with the body. It's gonna be pretty easy, easier than the head. So let's start with the connector. So these 2 pieces will be the main connector. So let's go in this way and then from the middle. So it should be like this on each side. Looking good. And then let's add the front piece right here. And then add one more onto the top. Just like so. Alright, so let's add the top piece. It's gonna be this one's gonna be the top piece. So go in this way. Yep. And then let's add the back piece right here. So we're trying to build a cube. Looking good. And then let's build the bottom piece. This one. Just to go in this way. Yep. Looking good. Alright, so let's work on both sides. We're going to insert it. So here is a little bit tricky, but I'm going to do it slowly. So as you can see, we have this one, a little dot right here. And then this one, we also have a little hole right here. So this one is going to go in here. So we're going to slide it in this way. Slowly. And when it hit that bead, we're going to push it to the back. So this way, we can insert this one like this with no problem. Yep, looking good, right? All right, so from here, we're gonna insert it on one side. Yep, just like so. Let's work on the other side. Same thing over here. So this is gonna go like this. And then we have the bead here. So we're gonna slide it in this way. And then when it hits to this bead, right here, so you can see, slide it in there. Yep, and then so this one will go in this way, okay? So take your time. Yeah, so we got this right. Looking good. I hope it's easy to understand. So the purpose of that is because if we just put it like that without that hole, it's gonna move up and down. But this design right here that I did, so it's gonna lock this in place. All right, so let's go to here. Yep, easy done. All right, so let's finish the pieces on the outer side. So this one we're gonna add to the top right here to lock all of the pieces in. Yeah, looks good. And then this piece is gonna come to the bottom. Oh, this one I do have to slide it in there. So just open it up a little bit and then slide it in.
Maybe we should have do it earlier, but yeah, we can still do that. All right, so, and then let's come to the back. Actually, these pieces, we're gonna leave it there for a little bit because it might be a lot of work. All right, so let's work on to the side first because these are kind of loose, so I don't want them to keep losing up. All right, so let's work on the hands. Okay, so let me see how it looks. Okay, so this is gonna be the first piece. Go in from here, and then the second piece, go in from here, and then the third piece, go in from here. Yep. And then the first one to add is right here. Did I get it right? Okay, so flip it over. So from here, we can insert 2 beads. Yep, so this way, they're all connected now. Yeah, I know this part is a little bit tricky. And even just remove that one. Okay, yeah, maybe that way's better. And then adding this one onto the next level. Yep, okay, and then this one's gonna be the last one. This little 3 bead is facing in. All right, so we got this back. And now we can connect it here. If you like, you can connect this one onto this side first. Yep. Okay, so this one we connect here first, and then we're just gonna put the hands, insert it this way. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And then let's work on the other side. So maybe we're gonna insert this one first, here. Yeah, you can do it different way, whichever works better for you. So this one is gonna be the first one, so let's leave it out. And then, so it's gonna look like this. Yep, I think so. Yeah, so the order, first, second, and last on this side. So we're gonna insert this way. Oh, this one's gonna be in the front. Okay, and then let's work on these pieces first. And then also this one, facing this way. And then we're gonna insert it here. Last one. Yay, we got this done. All right, so on here, I'm gonna show you, we're just gonna insert this one onto the top, and then the second piece, and then the last piece. Looking good? All right, so a couple more steps and we're done. All right, let's work on the shoes part, all right? So we're gonna start with this piece right here. All right, going this way to the top red beads, stay here. And then this one should be going this way. Let's try this one right here. See how it looks? No, I think this one should be facing out. It looks good. Okay, all right, so this is gonna be the next piece. It should be this way, going in, looking good. And then one more. All right, this is looking good. So here, we're gonna flip it over so it's easier to see. Yep, so let's add the connectors now. 1 and 2, so these is gonna keep the pieces in place. And then this last piece, we're gonna pop them to the bottom. Yep, now we got one side done, let's work on the other side. So this one goes in first. Well, actually we can just flip it over and do it, right? And then this one is gonna go, let me see, this way. Yep, don't push it all the way up to the white bead, okay? And then this one's gonna go this way. And this one, I'm just gonna flip it over and go this way. And then adding the connectors. Oh my god, I can't believe we're almost done. Yep, and then the last piece right here. Alright, got this done. Alright, let's add Sonic's head. Boom, right here. And then let's connect them. Throughout the whole process, you might have pieces falling out like this. It's okay, because, you know, this 3D project, we don't use glue doing the sampling. But if you really want them to be more like tight, you know, add the hot glue later so that they can be, you know, more stable and don't have to fall apart. Yep, flip it over. Yay, we got Sonic done. Yay! I also built the tiny one. I don't know which one you're gonna build, the big one or the small one. I personally like the small one because I can take him out to other places, but the big one is so adorable. So if you make one, tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family who would like to build Sonic as well. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!